All right, listen up. It is your guy, Tracy Walker, aka your radiology liaison, reporting live. Thank you for tuning in. This video is about the AMG C43, aka the W205. As you can see, I just got the car. This is a 2018, and this is about the front fenders. I'm going to be putting some new fenders in front of the car, some fins to make it look more current. This is a 2018, like I said. The 2019 has some fins right here, and I feel like on a 2018 there's something missing. So I looked online, I found several things that you can make the front of the grille look more aggressive, but I didn't like it because they look too aftermarket-y. But I found the fins that resemble the 2019 fins that go in the front to make the grille look much more aggressive. All right, so before we get started, if you have any questions about the radiology fields that make a lot of money, guys, are only 2-year degrees: CAT scan, X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, nuclear medicine, all those fields. If you have any questions about that, hit me up in the comments. I kid you not, I'll reply to every single last one of you. Also, I have videos about that already made. I do some fitness videos. I have some free insanity videos you want to check out. All right, without further ado, and looks like the wife is just now arriving in the wife mobile. All right, so we're gonna move along. I'm gonna show you guys how to install those front fenders right now. Anyways, so like I was saying, here we are. Let me take the phone off the stand. The lighting is not good over here. So anyways, the 2019 front vent of, let me zoom out here, can't zoom out, it's missing something right here. So I thought that perhaps I can find something that goes right there. There are aftermarket pieces, but I don't like them because they're too aftermarket-y looking. Hey. So these fins are gonna go here. The neat thing about these fins right here is that the other ones that I've seen on eBay and online, they don't have these little clips right here. See these little guys right here? It's gonna lock in to these grates right here. Their other ones just use 3M tape, and you don't want that because it's just gonna fall off, and then also the tape is gonna peel off your paint if they come off, or you're always gonna have to have vents there. Bye.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
About?
Well, how about you talk to me later because I'm making a video right now.
No, I wanted to go watch some more of the prison show.
Yeah, we're watching 60 Days In, so yeah. I don't think I'm going to include this part in the video. All right, so let me finish this video. I'm going to crank this out, and then I'll be in there. Okay.
Are you like gonna do the actual installation? Is that what you're trying to
No,
show?
I'm going to do a compilation, but I told you right now I'm making a video. You got any more questions?
Oh my god. Okay, I'll just stay right here and watch you make a video.
Right here, I'm gonna be flexing. I'm gonna flex my muscles in
What
here.
does that mean?
I was just kidding. I'll just have my face in a video.
You'll just have what?
Bye.
You'll just have what?
I don't know. I don't know what I said. Anyways, so these fins right here are gonna make the car look so much more modern. It's gonna look like the 2019. That's all it needs. I feel like the 2019 W205, aka the C43 AMG. As you can see, this car is a legitimate AMG, but I just don't like that that front portion of the car is missing something. All right, guys. So, like I said, this groove right here, I'm going to go ahead and pull up that 3M tape. I clean off my surface. And it's a no-brainer, guys. This is going to fit right in there, right where it belongs. So you don't have to worry about count the number of grates that go in there. It's just going to fit right in there. Found it. Nice. right, gang. It is a wrap. Thank you for tuning in. Like I said, I'm just casually walking through life. Anything I learn, I share it with you people. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. All you got to do is subscribe. Or if you want to share what you did with your car, or you got any interesting advice to give out there, throw it in the comments. All right, it is your guy Tracy Walker, your radiology liaison, signing off. Peace.